Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Thinkorswim for swing trading. First, open the platform and navigate to the Setup menu. Select Save Workspace as to create a personalized layout. Drag and drop essential gadgets like the watch list, live news, and a level 2 quote box onto your screen. Arrange these elements for optimal viewing and quick access. This initial customization will significantly enhance your trading efficiency and help you stay organized throughout your trading day. For effective swing trading, configure your charts using daily and 4-hour timeframes. Add 3 exponential moving averages, a 9-period, a 20-period, and a 50-period. These help identify short-term and medium-term trends. Incorporate the volume indicator to gauge buying and selling pressure, and the moving average convergence divergence, or MACD, for momentum confirmation. Remember to set price alerts at crucial support and resistance levels to notify you of potential entry or exit points. Thinkorswim's powerful scanner is crucial for finding swing trade opportunities. Create custom scans filtering for criteria like average daily volume above 1 million shares and a price range between $5 and $100. Look for stocks showing increased relative volume and volatility. Once identified, add these to a dedicated watch list, organizing them by sector or potential setup. The Market Watch tab provides real-time data, helping you monitor your potential trades efficiently and make informed decisions. When entering trades, understand various order types like market, limit, and stop orders. Always implement a stop-loss order to protect your capital, typically placing it at a key support level or a predetermined percentage below your entry. Calculate your position size carefully, risking no more than 1 to 2% of your total trading capital per trade. Before committing real money, practice extensively using the paper money feature to refine your strategy and build confidence.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.